Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export video in Capcut PC. So here are some tips on what you can do to get your export to work. Okay, so first thing first, you want to go to the start menu, all right? And then you want to go to settings, system, then you want to go to storage. You want to make sure your storage you have enough storage to save your files. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can try to export. Okay, so if the problem still persists, okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you check the resolution. All right, so after that, you want to make sure you check the location in which you're saving the file. You want to make sure you check the location. So these are some, all right, Capcut videos. All right, you want to make sure you select the folder, then you save your videos. Okay, so these are some of the things that can help you with exporting your videos. Okay, so try it out and leave a comment in the comment section if it works for you. So once you're done editing your videos like this, okay, so now what you want to do is you want to come over here to where it says export, then you click on it. So right here we have the name and export to, you can change the file location. So after that, this is the video. If you click on this, you're only gonna export the audio format. So if you click on the video, you're gonna export the video and the audio, or if you click on the audio, you're just gonna export the video format only. Okay, so now on the video we have the resolution. 4K is the highest resolution. As you can see, it changes the size of the megabyte. So 2K changes, and then we have 1080p, 720p, and so on. And then we have bit rates. We have higher bit rates, and then lower and recommended. And then we have custom. You can set it however you want. And then we have the codec, HVC, efficient compression saving space, AVC1, and we have MP4 and MOV format. And then we have the frame rate, so you can change the frame rate to 60 fps, 30 fps, whatever works for you. And the audio, you can change the audio from MP3 to WAV, AAC, FLAC. Okay, so and if you want to export this whole video as an GIF, you just click on GIF and it's gonna be low. So once you're done with that, then you click on export. As you can see, it didn't take too much time to export. So once you export it like that, you can share your video instantly to TikTok, YouTube, but you're gonna need to sign in with your account on both accounts, and then you share. So if you want to check your video in the folder, just click on open folder to check where the video. This is our video right here. Okay, hey guys, so as you can see, I'm going to show you how to. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to export video in Capcut. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.